The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Thursday morning, guys. Very good morning, fellas. Morning, Becky. Blessings to you as well. Guys, I opened a couple of minutes early, so we'll let people filter in. I'll tell you what I'll do is very quickly, I'll read the disclaimer. We'll get that out of the way. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. We have had a gold short on the bot, 6:54 a.m. All targets were hit. We've had two trades in the NASDAQ. A loser on a long took a long at 6:54. That was a fail. No, actually, it was a win. My apologies. That was a win. That was a win. It took the long here, hit first target here. And then it took a short here at 7:12, and it's hit first target only so far. We still have the runner going. And at this moment, the bots are currently up $2,425. So the question, if you guys are trading similar, and gold just took a long on the bot, if you guys are trading similar, do you shut them off or let them run? I like gold longs. I will run crude bot today. I will run it on longs only. I'm not interested in shorts on crude. I'm going to go over charts momentarily. You can see the volatility, guys. I mean, we've seen gold where it's had 6 to 9 tick first targets. First target now is 25 ticks. Stop is 79 ticks. Huge volatility across the board. Missed by a tick. There it is. So first target is dusted. Got a 107 buyer here. Mexican president saying that they will use hydropower if the Ukraine situation significantly increases power costs. We're trying to move up. 47 seconds to the next 10-minute bar. If we can break above about 126, 127, we can move up to 150. There we go. We can get to 150. And this may get first target. Got a 105 buyer here with a block, 30. New candle. Got it. Target filled. Not a bad retracement, guys. We held the 100 week. We could go up. We could trade. We can. If we can go hourly up, which would be above the previous hourly high, we can get 282. Anybody long? Let's see what we can get. I mean, we've got a shot at this second target, guys. What I would suggest YM is puking as we thought. Small buyers in the NASDAQ. VIX is up 19%. Putzing around in this middle. We should come down to 50. Better support is 36. I'm not buying any up move. Not happening. Let me get it down. So, yes. ES. Floating. Man, NASDAQ's trying to push up, but I'm not buying into the 700 buyers on the open. It's pushing up into the cloud. Give me some sellers. $15-minute resistance right here at 150. Went through that. Got 1,000 buyers, 1,100 buyers on the open. Jesus. Yeah, let them buy it. Let them do what they're going to do. I don't really care. All we need is one trade. Over 200. I'm lagging, so disregard my screen on the NASDAQ. We're at 202, 203. Looks like it wants to go to 223. We're at 178, 185. I mean, it's moving 5-6 points at a whack. All right, 5 minutes in. ES. I'm going to try an ES short, small short, 22, 23 with a stop. God, stop has to be above 34. That's what it is. It's too big. It would have worked. We're down to 16 already. Morning, Magnus. Christine Lagarde convening a press conference with former EU officials or EU officials. NASDAQ pushed all the way up, 245. Jeez, look at this NASDAQ. Guys, NASDAQ's at 272. Disregard this. Disregard my chart. We're at 276. Can try it. You can try an ES short with a 44 stop. 41.37 with a 44 stop. Best I have. Target 1 is 23. Does not want to break. Come on, break down below 31. Below 31, it'll get crunched. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Always trade as you see fit. Got to get below 31. If it came down to 30, 5 handles. Trade them as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit. All right, this is insane. Gave a trade. Didn't come below 30. Got to 31. 31 quarter. Needed to break 31. Below 31, it'll get bounced. Come on, we're at 31.50. Come on, dog. You can do it. Today's no day to be a hero, fellas. There we go. Below 30. All right, guys, you got a nice trade now. Trade for your accounts. Trade for your accounts. Okay? Let's call this 24. Move it up a handle. I don't know that it gets there. It should. Maybe on the next candle. But if you guys want to reduce risk, reduce risk. I cannot emphasize today is, volatile. It's $700, $800. Come on, you rat bag. 2 handles more. Come on, rat bag. Here it comes. Come on. Come on. Oh, missed by a damn tick, fellas. A stinking tick. Missed by a tick. Missed by a tick. It's not a good call. I missed by a tick. Give me that target. It's a good call. Hate when that happens. Come on. All right, guys. I'm going to take 1. I took 1. It missed by a tick, fellas. 1. Still a nice trade. Stops at even. Let it do what it's going to do. I missed by a tick. Now let's see if we can get the Wazowski. I'd like to see this down to 17. Real stop should be 44. But with this volatility, I'm not doing nothing. Everybody good? You guys good? Anybody take the call? Okay, 1 guy. Oh, okay, bunch of people. All right, fellas. I'm sitting at break even. Your real stop is still 44. Nice job, Steve. Hit your target. Nice job, guys. I'm really looking for this YM to break the low of the day. $167. That's the low of the day on the YM. All right, I'm out. No, it didn't hit me yet. It's gonna. You guys might want to take your ticks. It's your prerogative. We have a bot trade. All right, out. There's target 1 RTY. Target 1 RTY. All right. Patience, fellas, patience. YM is a short with a stop above 385. It's 140 ticks. I cannot do anything about. Let me see where NASDAQ is. 277. I'm not even close on this. 277. Jim, you can turn your NASDAQ bot back on if you'd like. Second target hit on RTY. You can turn it back on if you'd like. You wouldn't have missed a trade. I mean, what do you see here? When I look at that, what do you see? You have no shot of a short at this point, right? No shot. Turn it on if you want. It's crude inventory day. Got no shot of a long. All three targets hit RTY. ES is going to want to take a long on the bot. Let me take a look at this ES, see if we have a long. Yeah, we got a long on the ES. Probably to 69. If you guys want to try a scalp long now in the ES, I missed it. I should have been long 44. Let me see if I can get us an entry on ES. I'm watching for a long on the ES. Anybody that's been around a while knows that things must be really tough if I'm trading the freaking YM, long YM with a target at 61. I'm late. Come on, pull back. All right, I'll try this. Target one at 60. $59 is a problem. This buy zone's got a hold in here for me. It did for now. Right in here. ES is just pushing the top of the cloud in the 10-minute. All right. I should have been long down here, 45, coming back up through VWAP. I am late on the trade. Offer jumped in here. And two small sellers, 59 blocks, nothing on the ES. Come on. It's holding this buy zone. We've pulled everything lower. This, to me, looks like we're trying to go higher. Come on, you pushed above VWAP with strong buyers. Need to get back up through 53, and we should go. There we go, 53. I can get you 2.5. Trade them as you see fit, guys. This is a bonkers crazy market. 1,000 buyers. I can get you 2.5 to 3 handles. Here we go. Get it. Oh, missed it by a damn tick again. Got it. Target one filled. Break even. If it takes me, it takes me. I'll take first targets all day long. Okay? They say I can't trade the ES. If you want the real stop on the ES, guys, real stop is down here, 46.50. I'm out. I'll whack them all day long. Just whack them. ES is going higher, probably to 67, 68, 69, if you're still in it. Everybody good? Everybody good, fellas. At least one of you are. Anybody trading, or are you guys just watching? Guys, bots are currently at 37.45. I know you are, buddy. Yeah, I saw that. I looked at that the other day, actually, Deepak. You're getting freezing, Mark? Yeah, Chris. Nice job, Lori. Guys, and I haven't touched the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ is schizoid. Hey, Joe, you know your invoice was due like a week ago, right? I sent it to you. Thank you for that. But can you take care of that for me, please? Yeah, I know you do. No. I know you do. You're always immediate. Just, guys, be patient. 2 trades, 2 small winners. We don't need to be heroes in this. Let me see what SPY is doing. Looks like SPY is attempting for gap fill. Guys, you'll notice I'm watching the ES, which I rarely trade this. You know, I don't trade this often. But the NASDAQ is schizoid. You did? Okay. I'll check. My apologies. I may have missed it. If I did, my apologies. Get away from the point of control. We should come then 24, maybe 21. We've pulled everything up. We've got the ingredients, you know, for a wipeout here, but we're still screwing around VWAP, which is a tough trade. Out. Another 5 handles. We'll take it. Another long on the RT. Long now on the on the ES back above VWAP. This is a screw. It's a tough trade. Okay, out. I'm shutting all bots off at this point. I'm shutting all bots off. Bots had a great day. I don't want to have to monitor them. Well, not in time. I didn't get it off in time. Another long on RTY. First target filled. My bots are all off, fellas. My bots are off. Currently at 31.35 pending the conclusion of this trade. So NQ London holding at London highs, okay? Let me see what I see on NQ. I haven't really watched it. Nothing there. YM, nothing. I'm going to try another short on this ES. Maybe around 42, 42.50. I only had one on. No. All right, now I have 2 on. Target number 1 is going to be 38.5. 38.5. And I'll be out here in a minute. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Target 2 filled on the bot. I still think this is going to roll over. Go back to the ES. Yeah, we need to get, ES really needs to get below 28 for it to completely come down. Yeah, we could have made money with that trade. NASDAQ, forget. Gold. Crude, it is inventory day. Yeah, crude is kind of in a holding pattern. Gold, nothing. YM, same garbage. Crude's got buyers. Long on crude, it looks like, probably up to 30, 97, 95 on CL, but it is inventory day, so. We're just hovering around VWAP, back and forth through VWAP. Watch for the pop up. NASDAQ's going to pop. ES is going to pop. This is going to be our ceiling, 62 area. You can scalp this to the long side at 50.75 with a first target at maybe 52 to a quarter. There's your 57.5. 52 to a quarter would be your first target. There it is. And now a trade up here to 61.75. All three targets hit and filled. Russell bot. I'll go over trades at 11 o'clock. I'm done with bots. They are done for the day for me. Bots are at 3.565 green. Are you trading micros or are you trading minis? Anybody take this long on the scalp and then final target up in here? John, are you trading micros or minis? And 3 contracts? How many contracts are you trading? Yeah, unfortunately I can't help you right now, but there's whatever it is, you can't be down $250. It's not possible. Something's not right. Take a look at your bots. How many trades do you have on the NASDAQ for the day? Tell me how many trades you have on NASDAQ, Russell, gold, and crude. And ES would be in a long currently. Nobody took this long? Three NQ trades. Okay, same as me. Tell me the rest. How many in the Russell? How many in gold? How many in crude? We're probably going, that's NASDAQ, I'm sorry. NASDAQ looks like it could head to 529, fellas. ES pushing resistance here. They have not seen Russian forces moving into the western part of the Ukraine, but this is the first phase of the invasion. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Another 3 handles. I know ES guys would cut their throats for 3 handles consistently. You got 4 handles. Trade it as you see fit. It's volatile. It's crazy. Trade it as you see fit. Candle close, I'll find if we, don't get the first target, I'll try to find a different stop. Yeah, I mean, I could drop it down to 70 quarter. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's see 335. They do not have a sense of casualty so far. All right, guys, let's move that stop down. 66 quarter. We're risking 6 handles at this point. Trade them as you see fit. You got 5.5. 5.5 here. Had 4. Trade them as you see fit, guys. I cannot emphasize that enough. I cannot emphasize it enough. The volatility is high. We've got pockets of buyers in here. There's no reason for this to stop at 53.75. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. But we do have buyers in here. We're trying to push back down through the point of control in the candle. We're at it. Need to get through the point of control again, back down to 56 or so, and find sellers again. There we go, 56. They're trying to find sellers again. So trade for your accounts. Don't be a hero. The war is here, 55 to 57. Now we've got one idiot here trying to buy him at 55 quarter with some sellers, but you got a 300, they're buying at 55 quarter. They're buying 55 quarter. Come on, you mother. Give us targets. I'm telling you what I'm seeing so that you can make real-time decisions for your accounts. Buyers here as well. This is why I hate this damn ES, guys. Back and fill, back and fill. For the record, I do a leader follower, at least for another week. I sold 465 on the NASDAQ. It's down 100 handles. This thing's a joke. Won't go 10 handles. Need to take this swing. There it is. Come on, you dog. Are you kidding me? I missed by 2 ticks again. We're coming down to VWAP. We're pulling everything. There it is. Pulling everything up. Got it. What a rag bag. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Got buyers here. You guys good? Everybody good? Let's move stop to break even and leave it. It's coming down to VWAP. Out. That's what I'm saying about this goddamn ES, man. It's all stinking algorithms. I hate trading against computers. Too much work for 5-handle trades. Anybody have any questions, guys? Anything? Any questions, comments, concerns? Welcome, Ray. Again, as you see fit. Again, I came close and Nose think, come on, seriously? I got 87 and change. You've got to be kidding me. Just got to be kidding me. All this volatility and I'm not getting targets now? ES trying to push up, which is going to push here. Unfreaking real. I missed target by 6 ticks. 87. I missed target by 7 ticks. God damn it. Let's do bot trades. Gold. Gold took its first short at 6:54 a.m. Okay. I traded targets 1 and 2. It hit target 1 and 2. Gold took a long at 8:03. Losing trade. Gold took a short at 8:45. Target 1. And that's it for me. It did get 2 and 3, but pulled back into the trail. That's it. 3 trades on gold. 3 trades on gold. Here is crude. I ran crude today on longs only, based on what I saw this morning. Consequently, no trade here. So I have no crude trade, but it wouldn't have taken that trade. would not have taken that trade anyways. There was no trade there. It's against a white background. It would have taken this long for a failure at 10:45, and then this short for a win at 10:48. ES. One trade on the ES, 66 ticks, 10 o'clock on the ES. Okay? 10 o'clock on the ES. Russell. Trade number 1, 946 on the RTY. All 3 targets hit. Trade number 2 was a long and a failure at 10:06. Trade number 3 was virtually the same entry at 10:06. About 40 seconds later, all 3 targets hit. Trade number 4, another winning trade. All 3 targets hit. That trade would have fired at 10:35. Okay, so the Russell had a good day. Last but not least is NASCRAC. So here is your NASDAQ. Trade number 1, 6:54 a.m. Winning trade, first target only. Trade number 2, 7:12. Winning trade. Trade number 3, 8:45. Winning trade. That's it. That's it. 3 trades. Anybody have any questions? Any questions? All right, fellas. You guys have a blessed day. If you are in order flow class, let me give you total. I didn't do that. Duh. Sorry, fellas. Here is your bot total. 35.65 on the day. 35.65. For the week, the bot is currently up 48.12 and 50 cents. 48.12.50. Okay? If you guys